Hi guys, this is another video. I've got this projector which I bought from the Salvation Army charity shop, and it comes inside this box. It's complete, as you can see, with the power cord and the reel. Let me just get these other bits and pieces out of it. Okay, this is the box here, and fortunately, because it was in this box, it's kept it in good nick, though the box is a bit faded. And it's a wooden box made by Cheney, but it's covered in some kind of PVC. That's how much I paid for it, which I thought was a bargain. So what I'm going to do, in honor of the person who created the box in the first place, which kept the projector in pristine condition, is I'm going to refurb the box, get it looking less faded. You can see me just removing all the ironworks. There's just two screws on the top here which hold the handle to the lid. Just removing them. Let's get close up here, and you can see me removing the handle there. I'm going to give these all a good clean. And on the back here, you see the hinges are rusted. I'm going to be fast forwarding certain sections of this video just to make it shorter. Obviously, I don't work this fast. So you can see me just removing the hinges off the back. Okay, lid comes off. And I'm just going to give it a clean first and foremost. Just getting the dust from the inside. And then I'm just going to remove these studs from the bottom, or the legs, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to use some vinegar cleaning fluid, just to get rid of all the dust and dirt and grease, whatever. Give the box a good clean, see there. It's going to do the same to the lid. Now that that's nice and clean, what I'm going to do is paint over it red, so it looks nice and bright. And here you can see I'm just polishing up all the ironworks. They're nice and clean. You can see the difference between the two. The polished one is on the left, obviously. Just getting rid of all the rust and what's not. And that's the actual latch, which seems to be like a golden colour. Also, I'm using the same screws, so I'm just going to give them a clean also, as you can see here. That's one of the screws. Can't really focus on it, but there we go. Now that I've got all the ironwork nice and clean, let me just show you here, give you a close-up. So they're all nice and clean now. So what I'm going to do now, let me just show you the catch, which seems to be like a gold colour. And if you have a look at the inside, there's a 781, I think it is, number, which is probably the key number. I haven't got the key. And to show you one of the hinges here, get close up. Cheney, that's the manufacturer. I think they make the hinges and the box. Like I said, this is a wooden box, but someone's made the effort to protect it with some kind of material. So what I'm going to do now, just spray some clear lacquer over the metalwork so they don't start rusting again, because I'm not going to paint them. And come back next day, just give you a close up everything. See the box lid nice and clean, painted. And these are all the ironworks, lacquered, so that they stay this colour. And just some of the inserts inside, and that's the box there. So what I'm going to do is put the studs back on the bottom first and foremost. And just hammer them back in. And then I'm going to put the box back together lively, because it is a long process. So I'll speed it up. You saw me dismantle it. So that's pretty much complete. Let me give you a close up what it looks like now. As you can see there, nice and clean and tidy. Box is nice and red. Handle clean, all the metalwork's nice and clean and lacquered. I'll show you the hinges in the back. If you remember before, they were rusty, as well as the screws. So let me just show you inside. So I'll do this latch. And I've sprayed the base black also, the bottom. Okay, I'm happy with that. So let me just show you the projector. Like I said, because it was in the box, it's kept nice and clean and it comes complete. I've not had time to try it yet. I have noticed that this lever cover's broken off, but I'm going to have a look at refitting it somehow. Once I have a good look at the projector, see if I can get that up and running, which will be in another video. And just show you around the unit here. Like I said, because it's been in this box, it's kept in immaculate condition. Show you the back there. It's a label. Not sure how to pronounce the actual manufacturer name. So with that, that's pretty much complete. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.